Welcome to Motor City. Today's car looks to be a one-off or some type of custom built or a kit car called a Fevre that I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And the only thing I can find on it, couldn't find any information on the internet, but I noticed it has a custom built interior with a nice wood dash, and couldn't make out the seats that were in it as well. But I noticed it had Cadillac emblems on the spinners on the hubcaps. So that's a little tip off. I guess it must be based on a Cadillac chassis and some type of fiberglass body, it looks like, with 30s styling, and looks to be more of a European type styling than American. And the hood ornament is a Cadillac Flying Goddess that they used in 1930, 31, and 1932. So I'm not sure if that's the era. I'm going to guess that's the era of the car, but it looks to be a V8 engine in it because it has four pipes on each side of the hood for the exhaust. So couldn't find any info on it. So if anybody out there knows what it is, leave it in the comments and then we'll all find out what it is. But thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.